Hi there, handbaggers, and welcome to the Duck's Nest. This is the Military Mom. In this video, we are going to look at the Sunday outfit. We are going to look at the Sunday bag and shoes. We are going to continue in the series that I have been presenting lately about bags in my collection that I have not carried. And then we will look at a comparison of two backpacks, and then we'll wrap it up with an unboxing. And I'm going to move really quickly because I am going to cover a lot of ground in this video, and because I'm back in my Sunday outfit, I really want to be on time to church. So one of the comments that I want to address though is I have been asked why my head is out of frame, and that is because I want the bags to be front and center. And those of you who follow my channel know I've tried a couple of different filming venues. I filmed from this chair, I filmed from the operations center, I've even filmed from a bathroom. And what I decided was the best option is to have the bags in frame, front and center, so you can see all the details and the textures. And of course that means that my head's out of frame, but my head is in frame in this video, but it's about to be out of frame again because I want to stand up and show you all the outfit. So hold on, I'm going to push this chair back. And so what I am wearing today is a heather gray cashmere t-shirt with a high neck, and then I have a skirt with a boucle texture, and I don't know if you all can see that, variegated colors of pink, black, gray, and white. And then the shoes, you know, my ankle straps that I love, love, love. And then the bag is a bag that I have not carried yet. It is my Coach Dreamer shoulder bag. So let me just show you how she looks on. And I'm going to show you a jacket that I wanted to wear, you all, but I have not put this jacket on since I bought it last, oh my gosh, I think I bought it last spring. Because I wanted to wear it because it picks up the pinks in the skirt. And I have not ever worn this jacket, but when I put it on, look at this. I don't think I've lost weight. Does this look big? I don't know. I put it on, I'm like, I do not remember the sleeves. Can you all see that? Like, yeah, I don't remember the sleeves looking like that when I bought it. I don't think I've lost weight, but yeah, I'm still trying to decide if I want to actually wear this. So here's the complete outfit. And the jewelry. Yeah, I'm blinging a little bit, but oh well. Yeah, so yeah, I still have to decide if I want to, I might have to cuff that. I don't know what to do about this jacket, honestly, because I wasn't, again, you know, wasn't aware that it was going to do that. And I don't know if you saw, but there are zippered pockets. It's sort of like a micro suede, and there's zippered pockets that are functional on this jacket. So yeah, I'm gonna have to make up my mind in the car if I want to wear that one. All right, so I'm going to share with you a bag, believe it or not, you all, that I have never carried, that I carried this week, and it is my Dooney and Burke Bitsy. I have had this thing, oh my gosh, I cannot believe that I have not carried it, but I carried it to run some errands on Friday. And we're all familiar with Bitsy. This particular one is, of course, the DB anniversary pattern on a black background, and her handles, she's just like a zip, only she's smaller. Opens really wide. Let me just show you really quickly what she holds. This is a crossword wristlet that I've turned into a cosmetic bag. My glasses case. My pouch with my coupons. My Coach fold over card case that I use as a wallet, which everybody's probably tired of at this point, and my keys. So I'm not going to put the keys on the key keeper. That's going to take too long. Let me just zip her up so you all can see. Now, just because I'm trying to do this quickly, it's not cooperating, but this all fits on Friday when, oh shoot, hold on. And it was actually easy to maneuver this bag with one hand. But anyway, she fit all my essentials, and I did have a shoulder strap. So there is my Dooney & Bourke Bitsy that has been initiated into the carry. Okay, now I want to move on to a portion of the video that has been included because of a couple of comments that I received. So Honey is Natural and M Squareds, who we all lovingly refer to as M's, they had asked me of my Jordan, my Coach Jordan, and my Dooney & Bourke Ronnie, if I have a preference. And the short answer is yes. And let me show you really quickly both backpacks. So this, of course, is the Coach Jordan. And this is the Dooney & Bourke Ronnie. And of the two styles, if I have a preference, the short answer is yes. Now, I'm going to tell you what my preferences are, but for an everyday carry, just, around town, running errands, going to, maybe out to dinner, going to the movies, and maybe even going to church, I'm going to reach for Jordan, because Jordan's style is a little more polished than Ronnie. A little more sophisticated style. However, when it comes to travel, oh my gosh, you guys, you cannot beat Ronnie. And let me show you why, and I'm going back to Jordan for a minute. All right, so I'm going to use my, I think the official name for the color is Midnight. And you will see that Jordan has a front pocket which accommodates my phone. I carry an i8 Plus. Jordan does not have any back pockets. She has a zip function, and her interior is dark. Now, on this, the interior is light, but I'm using this for a specific illustration. All right, so here, Jordan only has one interior zip. Let me show you all how deep it is. I hope I didn't I did. I just closed that. All right, so here, so even though Jordan's a smaller backpack, you all can see the interior pocket, the one interior pocket is pretty deep. When it comes to Ronnie, oh my gosh, Ronnie. Look at this front exterior. And Ronnie has a back vertical zip that is almost as substantial as that front zip. You all can see my hand there. Ronnie also has zip. Opens to that beautiful red lining, which, you have no trouble seeing what's in this bag. Ronnie has SDS, standard Dooney setup, a zip and a slip. On the back wall and on the front wall, Ronnie has two slips, and unlike Jordan, Ronnie has the Dooney & Bourke key keeper. So if you need a bag that is organized, like when you're traveling, Ronnie is definitely the bag that I would reach for. Not to mention, she is cabriolet fabric, this particular one that I purchased, and Jordan is Coach cross grain leather. So again, just on an everyday basis, it's going to be Jordan, but for travel or when I need to be super organized, it's going to be Ronnie. Now both of these bags weigh about the same. Ronnie may be a little heavier, but you can clearly see Ronnie is also larger than Jordan. And a couple of things I wanted to point out. They both have top handles. Jordan's top handle is attached to the top of the bag by hardware. Ronnie's is attached to the back of the bag with stitches. It's sewn on. Ronnie has cotton straps. Jordan has the cross grain straps. So again, my preference has been duly noted, and thank you, Honey is Natural and M's, for asking about my preferences. Now, I want to spend a little time on the opening, and then I'll do the unboxing, and then we'll wrap up. All right, so on Jordan, I do not know how you all would use Jordan when it comes to her opening, but this is how I go into Jordan. Right? I call it the front flap fold down because this lining is dark and I need to see the contents in my bag. Those of you who pay really detailed attention to your bags may never do this, because I can tell you over time it's probably going to cause some creases right there. But honestly, I don't think I could use Jordan by just simply reaching into her this way. I don't know. I just feel like it has to be folded down so that I can see what is in, especially because of this dark lining. Now, on Ronnie, because of the light lining, I don't think I would ever have to do that, because Ronnie opens really wide. You can see all of your items because of the red lining, of course. However, if you all are considering Ronnie, you know that Ronnie comes in a couple of different materials. This is a cabriolet fabric. Ronnie also comes in pebble leather, and Ronnie comes in both this size and the smaller size in Florentine leather. So if you feel that you have to do the front flap fold down on Ronnie, if you get the smaller size, especially if you buy it in Florentine, you may want to take into consideration that that fold down might cause Florentine to crease across the front. So that was something I just wanted to mention as a possible issue with either Ronnie and Florentine and Jordan in the cross grain. All right, now moving on to the unboxing, and then we're gonna wrap up. I am going to call out my enablers on this purchase, and they are DJ King and, of course, my largest YouTube enabler, Sonja Covington. All right, so this is a piece that I picked up from eBay. This is how the seller packaged it. It is the Coach Charlie Wristlet. It is not the large Charlie pouch. It's the wristlet in mixed leather. And Sonja Covington, if I'm remembering correctly, Sonja either has a Cassie in this mixed leather multicolor option, or she has a Parker. I honestly can't remember. And Charlie has this particular wristlet, has a back zip. My phone will not fit in there, but this is a great place for, you know, if you need quick access to any of your items. She has a detachable wrist strap in oxblood, and DJ King did an unboxing of her pouches overall. So between DJ King's pouches and Sonja Covington's mixed leather, yeah, I had to pick this up because, hold on, I thought she was a wonderful match to my Rogue. So there you have it, handbaggers. The outfit of the day, the bag, the shoes, the jewelry, the comparison, the preference, and the unboxing. I don't think I have left out anything. So at this point, I am just going to wrap this up. And thank you all for dropping by the Duck's Nest. And as always, happy carrying.